Hello! We just have to make lemonade. So how to make? You just need one lemon. Cutting that lemon, please children ask your parents. And you need this a spoon, two glasses and three spoons of honey in a cup. Just these items you have to need compulsory. So now you are going to take the lemon and put it in this holes one ulta. This place should be near the holes and close it. Put this also. You have to put it like this and in this one kali glass and one full glass of water, drinking water, and you have to squeeze it just in the kali glass. It should not fall out. Squeeze it, keep squeezing it till I say stop. And open it, remove the lemon, put it in the side and take the other lemon and squeeze it. Same how you squeeze the first lemon. Squeeze this. Squeeze. Hold it. You can put on the up cup also on the level. After you finish this part, you should just first remove this. Oh no. It fell. And put it on the top. Put it aside. Take this. Just a little if you want to. Don't stir it if you don't want to. And pour this into the glass. After you lick it. It's very fun. And pour. If it's full, stop it. This also your mama and papa should do. And stir it. And taste it with the spoon. You should only eat with the spoon, not drinking. Okay? This is very strict. Okay? Yes. And just taste it. It will be very sweet, and again you have to stir it because the other left. Don't hush. Silent. Yeah. Now stir it.
How is it?
It's advising.
It's amazing.
It's amazing.
Say thanks, no? We can wind it up.
Thanks. Bye.